In today's video, I'll show you the preparation move in the Tai Chi short form. This movement, coupled with others on the channel, can help you feel more balanced, more clear, and even more energetic. This preparation move is the first movement of the 37 movement form. I like this movement because it's a stillness at the beginning, plus just starting to do the weight shifts, which is a key element in Tai Chi. There's some turning of the body, which is also a key element of Tai Chi. Feel free to stand up now and give it a try if you'd like and follow along. So here we go. I'm going to be mirroring you here, starting with your heels together. Weight evenly on both feet. This movement basically has 4 parts. 1, shifting to the right, bending the right knee. At the same time, that left heel comes off the ground. The second part is stepping that left foot out to a parallel stance. The third part is shifting the weight to the left side, bringing the right toe into parallel. And the fourth part is to shift back up to center. The knees are neither bent nor locked. So taking some time to go through these and practice. Starting position with heels together. 1, sinking right. 2, step left. 3, shift the weight and bring the toe in, and then up to center. And again, looking from a slightly different angle. Start with the heels together. Sink right. 2, step left. 3, shift the weight, bring in the right toe. 4, come up to center. Starting with heels together. 1, sink to the right side. 2, step left. 3, shift the weight, bring in the right toe. And 4, up to center. Heels together. 1, relax onto that right leg. 2, left foot steps. 3, shifting the weight, right toe in. 4, up to center, unlocked knees. We'll practice a few sinking to the right here, just relaxing our weight, noticing the torso turning to the right. Left heel comes off the ground. Then stepping left, shifting the weight, toe in, and up to center. Heels. 1, 2, 3, 4. Heels. 1, 2, 3, and 4. If you're liking this type of lesson, please click the link in the description and you can sign up for the Mindful Beat newsletter. Now that you've practiced through this a few times, just a note about how to move. We want to be moving, if possible, from the hip, so pulling from that left hip joint here. I'm demonstrating how it's difficult to bring that toe in if you're pushing off with your feet. So here again, I'm going to be sinking, step, and then pulling with the hip. It's easier to bring that toe in. Again, heels together. 1, pull right. 2, step. 3, pull left. Toe in. 4 is a pull up to center. And one more time. Heels. 1, 2, 3, 4. Click on the next video for the next lesson. Catch you next time.